Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. It's your brother Yahya Ibrahim with another Ramadan gem. There was one more dhikr that I wanted to remind you of in this blessed month of Ramadan that can bring light and barakah into your home, which is the statement of Inna lillahi wa inna ilayhi raji'un. When anything difficult happens in your life, remember that you belong to Allah, and remember that to Allah you return. And this statement is taken from the Qur'an and the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. In Surah Al-Baqarah, Allah promises that He will test us in life. And at the end of listing different tests that will happen in our health, in our wealth, in our prosperity, in our happiness, He says, وَبَشِّرِ الصَّابِرِينَ. But give good news to those who are patient. الَّذِينَ إِذَا أَصَابَتْهُمْ مُصِيبَةٌ. They are those who, when I test them with a calamity, قَالُوا إِنَّا لِلَّهِ وَإِنَّا إِلَيْهِ رَاجِعُونَ. They are those who, when they are tested, they say, to Allah we belong, and to Him we will return. أُولَٰئِكَ عَلَيْهِمْ صَلَوَاتٌ مِّن رَبِّهِمْ وَرَحْمَةٌ. It is upon them that the benedictions and blessings of their Lord will descend upon them. May Allah make you and I of them. Keep us firm and steadfast in the difficulties of life, and make us from those who are ever mindful of the fact that we are from Allah, and to Him we will return, subhanahu wa ta'ala. وصلي اللهم وسلم وزد وبارك على سيدنا محمد. May Allah accept your day of fasting. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.